Hey guys, Dan here from Dan's Auto Body. Just wanted to show you this Grand Cherokee that we had dropped off. Not in the best location, so the tow company definitely wasn't helping us out. But we're merely trying to assess the damage and try to see what the best repair plan is going to be for this. We know everything is suspension related on the left rear is going to have to be replaced between all the air system, lower control arm, strut, and so forth. So now, once we've already assessed the suspension, we're trying to determine the best and proper way to repair the inner damage. Because as you can see, everything here is pushed in. Inner wheel well and outer wheel well is damaged, so they need replacement. And the door is bent beyond repair. We're going to be replacing the door as well, and see if this makes sense to obviously complete all the repairs properly, or if it's going to be too close to being a total loss. So we're trying to assess what's going to be the best interest for the customer and then the vehicle.
Hi, this is Ed from Dan's Auto Body. So I just got off the phone with the supervisor at safety, and we're going to put everything in place so that they run the evaluation, set it up with the total loss department, who then is going to reach out to you. Then they'll run into negotiations in terms of value and whatnot. In the meantime, all you need to do is, if any belongings were in the vehicle, we'll have you take them out with your plates. Beyond that, we'll have it ready for pickup by the insurance company. So the conversation you just heard was with the customer. I have official notice that the Jeep is a total. In a case where a vehicle is totaled, we obviously get a good idea first. It's not the official word, negotiations aren't done yet. We try to give the customer a bit of a heads up that which way it's headed. From that point, customer just has to clean out their vehicle. We'll make sure that the vehicle gets picked up by the insurance company. At that point, you have every right to negotiate with the insurance. What will they be paying out? That obviously will only be between you as a customer and the insurer. Which we can go in depth about how you can negotiate, what things you can do to come out winning.